Welcome to Rubber Duck Off-Road Garage. My name is Grant and today my partner is
Abigail.
And we are going to be installing a mount up front here in your compartment on your dash to hold like a cell phone, a camera, and a whole bunch of other various options that they have. The company is called Ram Mounts. They're here in Seattle. I will put their web address in the description below. So let's get started. So first off, you have to remove this piece from your storage compartment up here. You just pull it out, it's just a rubber piece. Next, you take your ram mount, which is this and that, and you put this on here and put it together.
Hi.
Here, hold the screwdriver for Daddy.
You just put me on the back.
Just hold that for me, okay?
Can I just pretend it's for it?
Alright, Abigail, did you get all those screws in?
I think it was you.
Can I see it? No, can I see the mount, please? Okay, so the first thing you need to do is put all the screws on your mount to mount your rail to the mount that mounts to the Jeep. And this here is what all your components will lock into. So now, if I give this to my partner here, the next step is there's two screws up here on your dash that you're going to have to remove. So go ahead and remove those. You'll need a fill-up screwdriver.
And then you put it in the, and then you find it the right thing to put it in the hole. Are you getting the screw out?
Yeah. Okay, can I have the mount please, Abigail?
Yep.
Okay, once those screws are out, you take your mount and then you set it up here and you line these two ears up where those screws were at. It's a little difficult to kind of see, so you might have to find a way to get up in there. You could always put your windshield down if you feel like it.
How about me? Whoa, there's a bumblebee outside. Reach it out. How about me?
Alright, and that's that. Once you have that in, make sure your screws are tight. Then you can take your different accessories that you got. So I got one for my phone, so put that one in first. So you slide the nub on like that, and then you tighten it up, and then you take your clamp here, snap it back on this ball, and then put your phone mount back up on there, and then tighten it up to get it to where you're going to want it.
But how am I going to draw without crayons? Daddy?
And then you can maneuver it however you like. So I'm going to try
How about we can use crayons? How about you can color without
that
crayons?
way for now and see how it does for me. And then you do the same thing with your other mount. I've got that mounted on there. I have a camera. I have a GoPro 9 that I'm going to mount on there. I just haven't done it yet. I'll probably do that later. And there's my phone all held up. We'll have to try it out and see how it goes. But other than that, that's how it mounts up on there. Looks pretty good to me. I'll have to check out their other attachments that they have. They have a lot of different things that you can do. You can even get a mount for a laptop if you wanted to do a laptop. So, if you have any questions, make a comment, and I'll do what I can to respond and answer it the best I can. Other than that, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe. Have a good day. Do you want to say goodbye, Abigail?
Bye-bye.
Okay, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Take care.